Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and for today, I'll be reviewing BornPrettyStore's Animal L001 stamping plate. Now, let's try this stamping plate. I'm using a black regular nail polish for all of my stampings. Then fill it in with colors. Then set it aside and let them dry. If your stamper is dry, apply a fast-drying top coat onto your nail. Let it dry a bit, then stamp the design. After all of that, apply top coat. It has 7 unique full pattern designs and many adorable animal designs. This stamping plate is so cute, that's why I can't wait to use it again. I'll be leaving the link on the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!